Welcome to this tutorial on DynamoDB Streams and change data capture. In this video, you'll learn how to capture and process changes that occur in your DynamoDB tables in real time. This is a powerful feature that enables you to build event-driven applications and react to data modifications as they happen. DynamoDB Streams is a time-ordered sequence of item-level changes in a DynamoDB table. Think of it as a log that captures every modification made to your table. Whenever an item is inserted, updated, or deleted, that change is recorded as an event in the stream. These events are ordered by time, allowing you to process them in the sequence they occurred. DynamoDB Streams captures three types of modifications. First, insert events occur when new items are added to your table. Second, modify events are triggered when existing items are updated. Third, remove events are captured when items are deleted from the table. Every single change to your data is tracked through one of these three event types. When you enable streams, you must choose a stream view type that determines what information is recorded. Keys only captures only the key attributes of modified items. New image records the entire item as it appears after the modification. Old image captures the entire item as it was before the change. New and old images provides both the before and after versions of the item. Choose the view type based on what information your application needs to process the changes. To enable streams on a DynamoDB table, you use the update table command with the stream specification parameter. You set stream enabled to true and specify your desired stream view type. In this example, we're enabling streams with new and old images view type, which gives us complete information about both the previous and current state of modified items. DynamoDB Streams has four important characteristics you should know. First, stream records are retained for 24 hours, giving you a full day to process them. Second, ordering is guaranteed per partition key, meaning changes to the same item will always appear in the correct sequence. Third, delivery is exactly once, so each record appears only one time in the stream. Fourth, the latency is near real time, with changes appearing in the stream within seconds of occurring in the table. DynamoDB Streams enables many powerful use cases. You can perform real-time analytics and data aggregation by processing changes as they happen. You can trigger notifications and alerts when specific data modifications occur. You can replicate data to other databases or regions for backup or distribution purposes. You can also maintain materialized views and search indexes that stay synchronized with your source table automatically. AWS Lambda is commonly used to process DynamoDB streams. Your Lambda function receives events containing an array of records. For each record, you can access the event name to determine if it was an insert, modify, or remove operation. You can retrieve the new image to see the item after the change, and the old image to see what it looked like before. This gives you complete context to process each modification appropriately. Follow these best practices when working with DynamoDB streams. First, implement idempotent processing to handle duplicate records safely, as the same event might be delivered more than once in rare cases. Second, handle errors gracefully with retry logic and a dead letter queue for records that fail processing. Third, process records in batches for better efficiency rather than one at a time. Fourth, monitor the shard iterator age and processing lag to ensure your stream processing keeps up with incoming changes. You now understand how DynamoDB Streams enables change data capture for building event-driven architectures. By capturing every modification to your tables, you can react to data changes in real time, replicate data across systems, maintain synchronized views, and trigger automated workflows. Start experimenting with DynamoDB Streams in your own applications to unlock these powerful capabilities.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.